Hi. Are you considering purchasing a Genovation programmable keypad or keyboard? I'd like to talk to you about the benefits of using a programmable keypad or keyboard. You'll be able to harness the power of keyboard macros, which is the ability to program keyboard shortcuts onto a single key or key combination. The benefits of using keyboard macros include: 1. Increased efficiency. Macros allow users to automate repetitive tasks, reducing the time it takes to complete them. 2. Improved accuracy. Macros eliminate the risk of human error, as the sequence of actions is performed the same way each time. 3. Customizability. Users can create macros specific to their needs and adjust them as needed. 4. Gaming advantage. Gamers can bind macros to specific keys, allowing for quicker execution of in-game actions. 5. Accessibility. Macros can be used as a tool for users with disabilities, providing a way to perform complex tasks with fewer keystrokes. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Go to genovation.com for more information, or call 949-833-3355 today. Thanks for watching.